I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Changing your eSIM card on Giffgaff can be straightforward if you follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Prepare your new eSIM. Before activation, use the Interruption link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility check and confirm that your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Backup important data. Ensure that you back up any important contacts or data stored on your old eSIM. This is crucial as you might lose access to them during the switch. Step 3. Turn off your device. Hide down your phone completely to prevent any issues while changing the eSIM card. This helps avoid any potential damage or data loss. Step 4. Remove the old eSIM. Locate the eSIM card tray on your device, usually found on the side. Use the eSIM eject tool or a paperclip to gently remove the old eSIM card. Step 5. Insert the new eSIM. Place the new eSIM card into the tray, ensuring it fits snugly. Reinsert the tray back into your device and power it on. Check for signal to confirm the change was successful. Remember, if your phone doesn't recognize the new eSIM, try restarting it again. Happy switching!